Srila Prabhupada personally, he didn't like the Samadhi Mandir of Bhakti Siddhanta because he felt that they made the Murti of Bhakti Siddhanta to look like, I forget who he said, either it was Rupanuga or Bhavananda, I forget. But he said it didn't remind him of Bhakti Siddhanta. And when he went there, they put him through so many different kinds of inconvenient situations. So when he would go by, he would pay his dandavat like this with his hand. And he would go by. So one day it came through the grapevine that one of his godbrothers was criticizing that why Bhaktivedanta Swami does not come and bow down before the Samadhi Mandir of Bhakti Siddhanta, before his Guru's Mandir. This is a defect. They're criticizing. And I happened to be present in his room when he heard that. And he started to become so affected that they just don't understand. They don't understand. They think that Bhakti Siddhanta is stuck there in the ground. They don't realize he's sitting by my side at every moment, guiding me, helping me. The Kanistha Adhikari, he thinks that only one is worshipping his spiritual master when he is ringing the bell at his arti. They can't see that by carrying out his order, a pure disciple is intimately connected with his spiritual master more than at any other time. And that connection is so strong and sweet that he may even override some ritual, absorbed in that mood of satisfying his innermost desire. What will carry out and satisfy his intention? That is a higher principle. But blinded by envy, blinded by ignorance, blinded by material contamination, blinded by imperfect vision, one can see a defect in someone where there is no defect.